Welcome to our video tutorial on how to use ChatGPT on your laptop. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to get started and make the most out of this powerful language model. So let's dive right in. To use ChatGPT, you'll need an internet connection and a web browser. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the OpenAI website. If you don't have an OpenAI account yet, click on the Sign Up button on the OpenAI homepage. Follow the instructions to create your account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're logged in, go to the OpenAI dashboard. Look for the ChatGPT option and click on it. On the ChatGPT page, you'll see a text input box. This is where you can start a conversation with the model. Simply type your message or question in the box. After typing your message, press the Enter key or click the Send button to submit it. ChatGPT will then generate a response based on the input. You can continue the conversation by typing your next message in the input box. You can ask questions, provide more context, or engage in a dialogue with ChatGPT. You can guide the model's behavior by providing explicit instructions. For example, you can say, "Please provide a summary of the current topic," or "Imagine you're a character from a fantasy novel and respond accordingly." ChatGPT offers various features to enhance your experience. You can try adjusting the temperature parameter to control the randomness of the responses, or experiment with the max token setting to limit the length of the output. It's important to be mindful of OpenAI's usage policies to avoid excessive resource consumption. ChatGPT has some limitations on the number of tokens you can generate per minute, so make sure to stay within those bounds. And that's it. You're now equipped to use ChatGPT on your laptop. Feel free to explore, experiment, and enjoy the power of this incredible language model. Thank you for watching.